Hi there, my name's Ashley, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can issue dividends within limited company bookkeeping profiles on Nomisma. So before you get started with this, you will need to have set up your shareholders already. If you haven't, you can check out another tutorial video on how to do that. But once all of the shareholders are created, you can come to your dashboard in the bookkeeping profile by selecting it on the left menu, and then you can select new dividend. You'll notice that I've got reserves available of £48,527.59. So that's what can be distributed among the directors and shareholders. So if I select new dividend, so we've got here the date that the dividend will be processed on, and the amount of reserves available, and finally the description as to what this dividend should have. Nomisma has automatically calculated the dividend share percentage, and it's split it evenly based on 500 and 450 shares. So if I wanted to change this now, I can, but I'm just going to leave that as is and select pay. So I've distributed all of the reserves as of the 17th of January. So that's issued the dividends, and it's now recognized that the reserves available are 0. So now, if I wanted to view my dividend voucher, I can come up to Accountant Tools and select Dividend List. And here you've got Barney Gumble and Homer J. Simpson. But if I select View, you can then download the dividend voucher to PDF, and you can share that with the shareholder. And you can also use that for the self-assessments. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to get in touch on 020-3021-2326 or our email address, which is support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you and take care. Bye.